Alright guys, here is a 52-inch Hunter Coastal Breeze Plus ceiling fan. I did conclude that's what it is, because I just tested it and it runs very slow. So I am guessing that it is the extra added weight from the blades. But again, I got this off of Craigslist for $5 along with a Hampton Bay Littleton. Yeah, so this one again utilizes that stupid mounting system, which I cannot stand. Yeah, so I'll start it off on low. You can see how slow it goes. But this one's from the 18th week of 2003. Yeah. But either that capacitor is shot or the blades are just too big for it, but I'm guessing it's the blades. I'll probably open up a switch housing after this video and just make sure it's okay. But yeah. That's about low. It's not really doing much. It's going a little bit too slow. It's medium. This one actually, only thing was missing was the the rubber feet for the mounting bracket. But of course, that's just about what always happens with Hunter fans that I get. There's medium speed. It's not doing bad. It's moving a really faint amount of air. There's high. Wait, is that high? Hang on. Yeah, that was high. Yep, well, there's high speed. It's barely doing anything. That's almost like a medium speed. There's high speed. Moving a real kick-ass amount of air on it. Yeah. One thing that's kind of strange about this fan, which I really was confused about, another thing was the logo. Not sure why it's indented. I don't think these should be indented because the Hunter Passport that I have, that I got a couple weeks before this, was from 2002, and it had a plastic tag that said Hunter, and it was not imprinted. So I'm not really sure what the deal is with that, but yeah. I don't even know what this other side is. It's reversible. I think it's dark wood and cherry maybe. But yeah. Straight, of course, never wants to do that. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.